So we got the new electric Mustang, the Ford Mustang. This is the electric version. And this had a rear end accident. They had to take out the body module. As you can see, the rear is getting fixed. They had to get a little access here. But what I'm looking at is how they run the lines for the cooling for the battery management system, for the thermal management. So if you see, let's see if I can get my fingers to touch. Right at the tip of my finger where you see that black hose, that line, that's a coolant line right there. You have your supply and your return. And I think the other one you could barely see is right there. Then there's another coolant line. You see those two lines right there that slope off? Right here is supposed to be a battery pack. The whole entire bottom of the car is a battery pack. It's been removed. And you follow those black lines over and you can see they go to the rear to cool the motor off, and because you have an electric motor back there that's going to generate a lot of heat. And then you go to look for the heat exchangers. Where is it going to dissipate? You know where they go, but if you look at the front of the car, there's really no openings in the front other than these little louvers that will open on little motor gears, and the flaps will open and close. And if you look under the car, it's totally sealed. It's completely flat. So I haven't seen one of the front of these taken off yet, but I'll try to get a video of one when it comes in smashed, because I've seen quite a few of these smashed already. I gotta say, the heat exchangers have to be right back there, and one heat exchanger will be to cool off the battery, and the other one will be to cool off the gearbox, what has the electric motor in it for power. And it'll also be off of the AC coming off to cool the passenger compartment, but it'll also probably, and I'm going to see if I can prove that right now because I haven't taken one of these apart for the air conditioning. Oh, and I can't, it won't open. And I'll try to get one of these, but the AC is probably on a plate heat exchanger to cool the glycol, the coolant, to cool off the motor and the battery pack, just like all the ones. I have not studied up or read on these ones. I did not RTFM, and but I'll see if I could get a takedown on one of these to look how the plate heat exchanger is attached to the air conditioning to chill the water to cool off the battery pack and the rear end differential. All right, guys, I'll see you. It's all about thermal management, and everything about controlling heat is the difference between whether you're going to be a shop that's in business or out of business when it comes to the HVAC end of the vehicle in this trade. See you guys.